Hey there, artists! Artist palette feeling stuck, staring at a blank page, wondering what to draw next? Don't worry, I've got your back. Because today, I'm giving you 10 insanely creative drawing prompts that'll blow away your art block and bring your imagination back to life. So grab your sketchbook, take a deep breath, and let's dive right in. Prompt 1. A dragon sleeping on a pile of books. Just imagine fire and paper, danger and peace, a mighty dragon curled up inside a cozy library surrounded by towers of old, glowing books. You can play with warm light from candles flickering across its scales. Prompt 2. A robot watering a plant. Metal meets life. Picture a small, adorable robot gently pouring water onto a tiny sprouting flower, nature and technology in perfect harmony. Prompt 3. An underwater city made of coral and glass. Dive deep. Picture tall coral skyscrapers glowing under the ocean, glass domes reflecting jellyfish light, colorful fish swimming through archways. Prompt 4. A futuristic car driving through a dense jungle. Nature reclaims the future, headlights slicing through mist, lines wrapping around steel, neon lights blending with green leaves. Prompt 5. A portrait that's half human and half machine. This one's intense, one eye human, the other robotic, skin fading into glowing circuits. It's the perfect balance of emotion and innovation. Prompt 6. A cat exploring outer space. Adorable meets adventure. Picture a tiny cat in a shiny spacesuit, floating past planets or sitting proudly on the moon gazing at Earth. Prompt 7. A tree growing through a house. Nature taking over civilization, sunlight streaming through broken walls, branches curling through old furniture, peace reclaiming chaos. Prompt 8. A city skyline made of musical instruments. Imagine buildings shaped like guitars, trumpets, violins, sound turned into architecture. The whole city humming with rhythm and creativity. Prompt 9. Floating lanterns over a calm lake at night. A quiet, magical moment, warm lights drifting in the air, reflections dancing on water, the night whispering peace. Prompt 10. All 4 seasons in one drawing. Spring, summer, autumn, winter, all in one stunning frame. Flowers blooming, sunlight shining, leaves falling, snow glistening, pure art. And there you go, 10 drawing prompts to awaken your creativity and crush your art block today. So tell me in the comments, which one will you draw first? If this video sparked an idea in your mind, hit that like button, and subscribe for more weekly inspiration, tips, and AI-powered art ideas. Keep sketching, keep dreaming, and remember, creativity never sleeps.